Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick update walkthrough to discuss the progress of the plants that I recently planted, and I'm going to bring you along. Here's a little update of what's going on with the grow light from Mars Hydro. I looked closely this morning and my onions are actually starting to pop, so that's a good thing. And I turned on the light. Right now it's on minimum strength. I also started some okra and some bush beans, and hopefully these will continue to pop up and we can get them out into the garden. Okay, this is one of the okra plants that I ordered from the Ukraine, the seeds rather, not the plant, and it's coming along pretty well. The sister plant is doing the same, coming along pretty well, and it's actually a little bigger than the sister. The bell peppers that I ordered from Bonnie seem to have rooted in. Okay, in this green stalk we have bush beans. The first two tiers, they've popped and are growing, coming up okay. On the second tier, all of them popped. On the first tier, 3 of the 6 popped. Okay, the succession planting of the cucumbers is a success. They're doing well and have taken off. The variety here is Excelsior that I got from Johnny Seeds, and there are 7, 8 plants in here, and they have taken off and are doing real well. Okay, this is one of the zucchinis, Black Beauty variety. I believe I got these from Johnny's as well. It has rooted well and has adjusted. Seems to be growing pretty well. Here's another one. We planted this in the previous video. Seems to be coming along. These are the supersonic squash F1 variety that are doing real well, and looks like I'll be having flowers soon. This is a Marconi, a giant Marconi pepper plant, and we're starting to get a few blooms and it's growing bigger. These are the collards that were planted in the previous video. There are 8, 9 plants, I believe, and they're doing well. Okra, I don't know what variety this is, but we have pods and doing well. My tomatoes are doing good. This variety here is Homestead. This variety here is Roma. And this variety here is Bangos. They're getting greener and getting taller. Hopefully sometime soon we'll have buds or flowers and we'll have tomatoes in the near future. Okay, here I believe we have a few of the Perithium daisies that I planted that are coming up. So hopefully it is. These are daisies, baby daisies that are coming up. We're going to continue to watch them, and hopefully they get bigger in the future. Okay, this is one of the last brassica that I started last year. I think I started this in August, and this kale, this kale plant is still kicking. Looks like it's trying to put on new growth. With the temperature being as hot as it has been down here, I'm not sure if it's going to continue to survive, but we're going to nurse it along and hopefully it will. This morning, before I saw my onions, or some of my onions had popped, I was actually going to plant some outside in my raised bed, but because I saw them pop, I'm going to go ahead and hold off on doing that and see what we get from underneath the grow lamp. If you're interested in purchasing or looking at the grow lamp, head over to the description section of this video. There's a link for it, and I'll also leave a link in the video itself. If you're interested in any of the items that you saw, seeds, buckets, whatever you saw in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or head over to my website. And always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a good amount of food for yourself as well as your family. I think the motif for this video is to have patience. I started the seeds on the 4 days ago, on the 16th, and hadn't seen anything, and I guess I was getting a little anxious. So thankfully, I didn't have to start more seeds, and we can hope and pray that the ones that I started under the grow light will grow and I can plant them outside. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.